Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Yate today. Two things I bought and quite a few things I took pictures of that I didn't buy. This feller I didn't buy for the last couple of weeks. He's been in the same charity shop, and this time I thought I would buy him because I got an idea of something I might do with him. So, guitar player of some sort. Looks like he's got a speaker on him. Yeah, didn't notice that when I looked at him before. So obviously has some sort of sound effects. Oh, we'll have a look at that. Oh, that sort of sound effect. Yeah, okay, well we'll have a look at him later. Capsella. I have bought... right, okay, you make noises like that, fair enough. I have bought Capsella kits before in charity shops. One was reasonably okay, a lot of corrosion on the... I can't stop him making noises now. Yeah, one of them was lots of corrosion on the electrical bits, so I spent some time cleaning it up and got it working. The second kit I bought was virtually empty when I opened the box. It just got a few plastic bits and everything else was missing. This one I haven't opened. So let's be daring and have a look. If we can get it open. 42 interlocking parts, it says there. Well, that looks like they might be there. Does it have a date on it anywhere? No. Well, it looks like a fairly old kit, doesn't it? There's a number on there, 950155-44, but no idea what that might be. I think that was one of the kits I had with these big yellow balls on it, and that was all that was in the kit, just the yellow balls and nothing else. Anyway, let's have a quick look. Got the electric motor. Electrical contacts on there look absolutely fine, not corroded. Oh, maybe a tiny bit of corrosion on that one, but not much. So they look okay. That's a water jet thing. Not quite sure what that is, but that's little bits. Oh, that's a string or something. Got the rubber track. That looks like most of the bits are there. Yeah, that might be okay. We'll have to have a look at that at some time. Gearbox. Yeah. Might be okay. Right, I'll now show you quite a few of the things that I didn't buy. set it up right, it'll... It's supposed to have a little clear plastic thing there so it stands up against it. If it wasn't £5, I'd have bought it. Okay, no problem. It says £1 and that one. All together on the card. When you're ready, sir. Do not accept dodgy cards. What's that mean?
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Is that other one gold as well? Which one? Which one of the other? Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.